Kaching District Commando along with women personnel arrested a drug peddler from Sora Bazar, Kaching this morning. The drug peddler has been identified as Amina alias Painu Lamkang, wife of Sukur of Sora Bazar. 60 SP capsules were seized from her possession. Leaders of Coordination Committee of Manipur Integrity Kokomi had a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence in Delhi. As per media reports, the meet was held to discuss the decade-long Indo-Naga peace talks that was ended behind closed doors on October 31st last. Further details are awaited in this regard. A national workshop on reorganization of museum storage will be held at the Old Assembly Building of Imphal. The event is organized by IGNCA New Delhi in association with Manipur Legislative Assembly Museum and Archives Imphal, Manipur. The event will be attended by Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchan Singh and other dignitaries. With the rest of Assam, the employees of the Tejpur APDCL registered protest yesterday against the government's move to privatize the department. The APDCL employees staged a 2-hour sit-in demonstration program in front of the divisional office of ASEB at Tejpur. Guwahati will be hosting the annual summit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe next month. The 2-day summit is expected to take place somewhere around mid-December. The state government is reportedly proposing to revamp the old Deputy Commissioner's bungalow at Sukreshwar Hill as a place where the two leaders would hold talks.